Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi S5 battery full guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal to prevent electrical shorts, and then remove the battery cover panels carefully. Work in a well-lit area and keep track of small fasteners and clips. I will explain how to remove the hold down, swap the battery, and reset basic electronics so the car starts reliably and you avoid warning lights. Now we'll remove the old battery step by step in a simple, safe way. Start by loosening the negative terminal clamp and moving it clear, then remove the positive clamp. Unfasten the hold-down bracket and lift the battery straight out, avoiding tilting to prevent acid spills. Take a moment to inspect the battery tray and cable ends and clean any corrosion so the new battery makes solid contact and functions properly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content and easy car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice to keep the cabin smelling great during and after maintenance. I've included the link and other deals in the description for your convenience, and now let's get back to the video. With the new battery ready, position it in the tray and secure the hold down firmly, but not over tight. Reconnect the positive terminal first, and then the negative terminal, ensuring clamps are snug and corrosion-free. Start the engine and confirm the charging system is working and no dash warnings appear. Reset memory settings like clock and windows if needed, and double-check that all electrical accessories function normally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.